which is just over there, and Sikihor is over there. It looks so big from here. Looks like a very big island from here. That's actually where I did my open water course too. So Dawen, to be specific, here in Negros Oriental is a very nice place to visit if you love diving. There's a lot of nudie branches, turtles, cuttlefish. There's even a blue ringed octopus. The earliest we've ever woken up, huh? Or left the place. Good morning from Valencia here in Negros Oriental. Today's gonna be a very fun day. We are heading off to Apo Island to go diving, but only Eddie diving. Good morning, Gator. Aww. Gator is a Belgian Malinois. He's a big dog. So for now, we have a motorbike ride which is gonna last us about 35 minutes. Morning! Morning. Woo, we are starting our day early because it's gonna take us about 35 minutes to get to Dawen from Valencia, so we gotta hop to it. See you later. Oh my goodness. Wait. And we made it to Emily's place, my friend. And we are very early. Meeting time is 7:45 and right now it's only 7:20. Super early. Hey guys. Hey guys. Aww. Oh my god. This one is on a leash because she loves to escape. You love to escape. Oh. Hey nibbles. No nibbling. No bitey. Okay. Wow. Let's see what's happening. I'm sure Emily's so busy setting up all the equipment there. Oh my god, if you love dogs, this is doggy heaven. Malaka, you might want to get your sizes, your wetsuits and stuff. Exciting! Ah. Hey, yeah, just pass the watermelon to you.
Just pass the watermelon.
Okay, wait, it's a very heavy one.
Heavy.
Yeah. Alright, we are gonna be loading the car soon. It's not really a car, it's kind of car is that, like a small little pickup, and that is a full house. I don't know where Eddie and I are gonna sit. This is what it looks like at the moment, and then we are gonna head out to get some fruits, and then that's us off to the boat for our dive today. Well, for Eddie's dive, not me. Okay. Ooh. Alright, this is provincia style, or cowboy style, cowgirl style. We are together with all the stuff, right? Let me do this.
Someone can also sit up front if you want.
We're okay just now. We're alright, Emily. I think yeah, we're settled. I think.
Making sure the beer is safe. Okay. Oh yeah. We're still here on the vehicle, which is a good sign. The beer is still here, and the watermelon is still here. Da-da-da. Very nice time to sit out because of the fresh air. Wow. bamboo handle. Okay, let's go. Ta-da-da.
Careful.
Very tricky to go up here holding a GoPro and an umbrella. And this is Bayoyoy Oliver. Woohoo! Okay, dope. I'm saying hi. And yes, we are gonna be on this boat basically until after lunch. The time now is, I don't know what time it is, maybe 8:30. And everything's looking amazing. And there's Sue over there. But you're not diving today, are you?
No.
Yeah, I heard about your foot infection.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
So my mission was to get on the boat without getting my foot wet. And look, I kept it dry.
Yeah. So today there's going to be lunch. I think there's coffee, I'm not sure. And yeah, this is basically what our dive boat looks like for the day. This is where our food station is set up. That's the view of, I think that is Apo, if I'm not mistaken. That's Apo, right? That's definitely Apo. And I think some people are doing their open water course, which is just over there. Which is, and Sikihor is over there. It looks so big from here. Looks like a very big island from here. That's actually where I did my open water course too. So Odawin, to be specific, here in Negros Oriental is a very nice place to visit if you love diving. There's a lot of nudie branches, turtles, cuttlefish. There's even a blue ringed octopus. There's a bunch of interesting stuff to see here. It's a big motor.
There you go.
Oh no! Breakfast, anyone?
Oh, even the ugliest one.
It's only the side that's here.
Oh.
So right before the dive, we're gonna have some fruit and coffee, and we're very close to Apple Island already.
The drifts here tend to be really like medium level difficulty, just a little bit unpredictable.
Made it to the
We might
first
get in
dive
real fast,
spot
we might
called
get in real slow.
Kugon.
We're gonna see how it goes. As you're going down, just watch your depth because we do get like up currents and down currents, so just
So
be
a
aware.
little bit of factual. Kugon is a name of a type of grass which we use here in the Philippines for our roofings. And over there is Apple Island. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I'm not diving today.
Drift dive. It's been a while since I did.
Yeah, I'll tell you a little bit more about
The closer
diving
you are,
here.
the less strong the current is gonna pull. So if you're